everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at a new topic called mean. Now this is a part of the statistics, and I thought what is a better way to introduce statistics other than looking at some data. Now let's make this fun. This data represents some reviews that a restaurant got for its catering service. As you can see, it has got 2 5s, but it has got 1 0, and then 2 2s, and then 1 3, and then 1 4. Now we can look at this at one thought and be like, this looks like a decent restaurant and it's got this little outlier number, but oh well, it was probably some random person who had a bad experience. So we can't really evaluate this data, can we now? So there are some ways to do this. We can use mean as our first one, which is what we're going to look at. There's median, which we might look at the future, mode, which we might also look at in the future, and range, which again we can look at in the future. But let's start with mean. Now this is sometimes seen as the hardest one, but it's just a little bit harder because you have to do a little bit of adding and dividing for this. But basically it is the average of a data set. By the way, please do not confuse this for 3, it's a curly bracket. So average. We figure out an average by taking the sum and dividing it by the number of entries or number of data values. Number of, let's say there's value, actually that would be a better word for this. Number of values. So the sum of this is going to be 10, and then you can skip over the 0, 2, 12, 3, 15, plus 2, 17, 17 plus 4 is 21. So the sum is going to be 21, and how many data values are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to divide this by 7. Now the mean of this is going to be 3 because 21 divided by 7 is 3. So basically we can say that this restaurant would be rated 3 stars for its catering service. And now we can go and look at the 3 stars and be like, oh, it's above like 2.5, which is the middle, so it might be a little bit of a good restaurant. So now you might want to go to that restaurant. This is how we can use mean to evaluate some data, and this is how we can use it in context. So I hope you enjoyed this video, hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye!